All right, hey, welcome folks. We're just going to get started in about 30 seconds. We're just waiting for folks to join the webinar since we just launched it. All right, everyone, welcome to the 2022 Maryland Engineering Challenges Drawbridge Competition hosted at the Baltimore Museum of Industry. We're really excited for our participants today who built awesome bridges for our middle school competition. First, I want to thank our sponsors, ASCE, the American Society of Civil Engineers, as well as the Engineering Society of Baltimore. And we really would appreciate all the support that makes this challenge possible for these students. So thank you so much. And thank you again for all the students who made time to participate today, especially in a second difficult year due to the pandemic. And for being really flexible for transitioning to our virtual competition today that originally was planned in person, but we're making it work with virtual. So thank you, and let's get started. I'm going to invite Kevin, our engineer, onto the stage, and we're going to get started testing your bridges.
Well, welcome back, everyone. It was great talking with you about an hour ago and going through your reports and your poster boards and talking about the bridge design. So without any further ado, let's get started with see John the Evangelist's bridge. First, we'll weigh it. So it's a very nice truss with vertical members. See, looks like it weighs 91 grams. Switch it to the other side. A little lighter now. 90. The air flowing above. Maybe we had to burst the air from above. So, looks like it's one of the lightest bridges in the competition. Hazard, it looks a little long for the hazard. You can see, but I think we can sort of make it work. Ideally, it would fit in the clusters right here. You can see that it overextends just by a hair on both sides. So, very sturdy bridge. I think maybe we'll try going above within the regulation. And this is our roadway. The bridge is a little narrow on the inside since we can't go on the upper surface. You can see. Now, for forming the bridge, we lay in the roadway so that the truck that we're about to load test this bridge with still go across. I think we can make it work. Truck here, 6.5 pounds. Guess go ahead. You want to cross our fingers? Pull it halfway. It's holding pretty well. Pretty impressive. Just pull it so that the yellow mark for center is right at the center. Oh, very good. It's like holding. I'm going to start the stopwatch. So it's able to hold the weight. So this design probably not being tested as intended, but I think it will still pass the load test. We're about halfway through. And still holding, not even, no sagging. It's very impressive. So as you can see, it's very common. This is one of the most efficient designs for Warren truss, and especially with the vertical members. Maybe it's just adding a little bit more robustness to the design.
Can you remind us how heavy the hazard is?
So the hazard is 6.5 pounds, and it passed a minute. So, very good. Good job, guys, from St. John's Advantage. So, good job. So next up, we have entry from Lindale Middle School. This is Ania, Erica, and Angelique. It's group number 1. Middle. And this is also looks like a very light bridge. I love it's a very pretty bridge. Love the colors. This bridge is 115 grams. By the other side, for another measurement. 14 this time. Not much heavier. And let's try to get it in the hazard. So a little here on the long side, huh? Okay. A little tough. Don't want to break the bridge. Get in and look at the other side. A little too tight. We're having a little difficulty securing the bridge within the hazard. Try again from underneath. I think that would be the taking a little more force than I would like to get through. Okay, so having a little more luck coming in this way. You can see it's a very tight fit. Does cross the span. Okay, well, I think we're ready for some testing. Securely in the hazard. And roadway that we're required to use. Okay. Get our 6.5 pound truck, pull across. Here we go, guys. Okay. Fingers. We can do it. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's holding. Pretty good. Oh. Well, bridge hasn't completely fallen through, so let's start the clock. All right. Well, we lost one member of the bridge on the back side, back here, but it's still holding. 45 seconds. I think this one's going to pass. Yeah. Yeah, no additional sagging. Uh, 21 more seconds. Okay. Almost there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. It passed. Good job, guys. So that was group 1 from Lindale Middle School. Gently remove the bridge from the hazard. As you can see, just this member. This bridge is group 6 from Lindale Middle School. We have Joshua, Aiden, Mon, and Cheyenne. See how heavy their bridge is. This very stout bridge. A little heavier. Measuring out at 304 grams. We're at 3 now. And 303. Where's that? Okay. See if this bridge fits the head. Oh, just a hair too long. I guess we can get the bridge to fit this way. Pretty sturdy. Yeah. That's pretty good. Okay, here we go again. Fingers. And down truck. Again. Good. Very good. Stopwatch. And again, it's a very robust bridge. Not even sagging, even though it's not utilizing these members right here. About halfway through. Huh? 20 more seconds. Yeah. Not like the previous competition, what that was, where the bridges were tested to failure. I think this one's going to pass. Yep. Just pass. Good job, guys. No deformation in the bridge. Still intact. And our last bridge. But this bridge is also from Lindale Middle School. This is group 11. I believe is Sean and John. Let's see how heavy their bridge is. 121 grams. As far as the measure. 121 grams. See if this bridge will fit the hazard. Looks like it will. Looks like it'll fit like a glove. Oh yeah. That's fit perfectly. Good job. Good job. What's that? And up again. So a little beat up. It's following previous competitions. Okay, here we go. Very good. Okay. Stopwatch. All right. Little sagging. But I think we'll be good again too. Yeah. So we have 4 bridges that pass. Actually, it hasn't happened in a long time where we've had all bridges pass. Very good. About halfway through. We're doing well here. We'll come down to the final 10 seconds. Will it make it? I think so. Yep. Good job. Good job, guys. That concludes the testing portion of the competition. In at 1:50, we'll reconvene and we'll have
So it's about 20 minutes from now. Do you
20
think we'll
minutes?
need the full 20 minutes?
no. I think we will.
140?
Yeah. Let's get together at 1:40. If that's okay with everyone.
Yep.
I think we'll be able to compile all the scores and the results.
All right, welcome back, everyone. Thank you for your patience. We're excited to announce our award winners for the Strawbridge competition this year. In first place, we have Sean and John from Lindell Middle School. And that,
The bridge right here in the center. You can see it fits the hazard perfectly and pass the test.
great.
Yeah.
Awesome. Good job, Sean and John. Congratulations on winning first place. Second place, we have Josh, Aiden, Aman, and Cheyenne from Lindell Middle. And we're really excited. Your bridge looks great. Pass the test as well. Good work. And finally, in third place, we have Ben, Logan, Ethan, Connor, and John from St. John the Evangelist.
Great job, guys.
That is our last bridge. All right, everyone. Well, thank you so much for participating in the competition this year. We're really excited that you made the time, especially with the transition to virtual and especially with the pandemic the way it's been. We're just really excited to have you participate in the 2022 Strawbridge competition for the Mail and Engineering Challenges. Thank you again to our sponsors. Thank you, Kevin,
Thank you.
our engineer.
Thank you, Jessica and Mike, for hosting, and the BMI and all their sponsors. And just again, this is a competition sponsored by the Baltimore section of the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. And thank you to all. Thank you to the parents. Thank you to the teachers and the students. We have done this without you all.
All right. Thank you so much.
One more round of applause from.
And let's give a round of applause for our participants. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day.